On today's quiz, it looked like people were having trouble just getting the numbers they needed before they could even do the confidence intervals or hypothesis test. And you're just struggling with getting the data out of our Excel file. So I just want to go briefly over that using StatKey because it's much, much easier than it looked like some of you were making it. So one of the questions asked for the difference in the proportion of women who are in excellent health and the proportion of men who are in excellent health. So the best way to get that is to first copy the general level of health, so it's over next to gender. Then take both those two columns combined, so it has gender and general level of health. Then go to StatKey for two categorical variables and throw the data into it. This is raw data, so we click on that. Oops, better actually enter the data though. And then we can get the numbers we need. So the question asks for the proportion of both men and women who are in excellent health. So here we have 478 men and 113 of them are in excellent health. So for the men, it's 113 out of 478. For women, it's 128 out of 522. So you don't need to filter just the excellent health. Just throw it into StatKey and only choose the numbers you need from there. Next one asks about the mean age of women in excellent health and the mean age of women in fair health. So this time, we will go to the sheet for women only, and we will insert a column here and get general level of health, paste it over here, and then choose these two columns. So now we have health and age, and this is in the women's sheet of the health data, so these are already only women. Copy. And now we've got one categorical variable and one quantitative variable. Throw it in. And then back to the question, mean age of women in excellent health, mean age of women in fair health. So women in excellent health, sample size 128, the mean is 41.89, standard deviation is 13.446. Fair health, it's 51.19. 47 sample size, 51 the mean, and 19 for the standard deviation. So that's all there is to that. On quiz B, we want the mean age of women in excellent health and the mean age of women in poor health. Only now you're looking for a 95% confidence interval, but we'd still do it just the same way as we did the last one. And then for the second one, is the proportion of men who are in fair health the same as the proportion of women who are in fair health? Well, we do it the same as we did the first one. So it's not that hard. Feel free to ask questions or get help if you need to with StatKey, so you won't struggle with this on the exam.